In the golden age of American muscle cars, when legends like the Chevelle S and Mustang Boss 429 ruled the streets, one brand quietly watched from the sidelines: Buick. A company known for luxury, comfort, and smooth rides, not for street racing or high-revving aggression. But in 1970, Buick shocked the entire industry with a machine no one saw coming. A car so powerful, so bold, and so unexpectedly brutal that it instantly became one of the most underrated monsters of the muscle car era. This legend was called the 1970 Buick GSX. Before the GSX, Buick drivers were usually families, businessmen, or older adults who wanted a quiet, comfortable ride. Nobody imagined Buick would create something capable of challenging America's biggest muscle icons. But engineers inside Buick had a different dream. They wanted to build a car that would silence everyone who ever said, "Buick can't build performance." So they took the already powerful Buick Gs and transformed it into something wild, a muscle car with attitude, muscle, and pure intimidation. A color you could see from a mile away. GSX owners didn't try to blend in. They wanted you to see them coming. The GSX came in only two colors: Saturn Yellow, Apollo White, with massive black striping, a tall rear spoiler, wide stance, and a hood tack that looked like a fighter jet instrument. The GSX didn't just turn heads, it twisted heads. This wasn't your grandfather's Buick. This was a street predator. The heart of the beast, minus 455 Stage 1 V8. Under the hood lived one of the most shocking engines ever put in an American car. 455 Stage 1 V8, rated at 360 HP, but everyone knew it was underrated. A jaw-dropping 510 pounds FT of torque. More torque than the LS6. Chevelle, more torque than the Hemi cars. More torque than almost a NY muscle car of its era. In real street tests, the GSX often surprised owners of Mustangs, Camaros, and even Mopars. It wasn't just fast, it was violent in the way it delivered power. 0 to 60 in the 5-second range. Quarter mile in the low 13s bone stock. For a luxury branded car weighing more than its competitors, that was unbelievable. Why the GSX failed? Even though it was incredible, the truth is sad but real. The 1970 Buick GSX should have been a superstar, but a few things killed its sales. High insurance costs, muscle car market crashing in 1971. Emission regulations increasing, Buick's own luxury reputation, scaring away performance buyers, a price higher than many competitors. Because of all this, only 678 units were ever produced. That's incredibly low. And that's why, today, finding a real GSX is like discovering buried treasure, a forgotten monster that became a king. Even though the GSX didn't get the spotlight it deserved in 1970, today it is considered one of the most valuable, most respected, and most powerful muscle cars of the entire era. Collectors adore it, muscle car fans praise it, and historians call it the torque king of American muscle. At auctions today, a clean GSX can easily reach $150,000 to $250,000 plus. That's more than many famous Chevelles and Mustang. Final words. The 1970 Buick GSX was not just a muscle car. It was a statement, a bold declaration that even luxury brands could build a street monster capable of crushing legends. It came into the world quietly, destroyed everything in its path, and then disappeared before people could truly appreciate its greatness. But today, this rare beast finally gets the respect it always deserved. The GSX wasn't just powerful. It wasn't just rare. It was one of the most fearless, underrated, and iconic machines in American automotive history.